Hannah, and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. If you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a fire and ice makeup tutorial, and I think this turned out super cool. This is my very first time ever doing one half of my face different and the other half as well, and I don't think it turned out half bad. So if you would like to see me create this entire look right here, then just keep on watching. So this is either going to go one or two ways. This is either going to look really pretty and really cool, or this is going to be a complete hot mess. But either way, I'm really excited to be doing this fire and ice look. So on the right side of my face is going to be the fire side, and then on the left side is going to be the ice. So we're going to start out with the fire side at first. So we're going to use a combination of two palettes. We're going to use the Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn eyeshadow palette, and then I'm also going to be using the Pigment Palace Modern Royalty palette. This is their original palette that they launched when they first started their company. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out with the Vintage Dawn palette from Ace Beauty, and I'm actually going to be taking the shade Horizon, which is that really pretty orange color right there. I'm actually going to be applying that into the inner half of my crease using this very tiny detailed crease brush. Now going into the Pigment Palace Modern Royalty palette, I'm going to take the shade Cocoa, and I'm going to be applying that to the outer half of my lid and into my crease using this fluffy crease brush. I'm going to cut my crease using the Maybeline Superstay Foundation. This is just any shade light ivory, and I'm actually going to be cutting my crease with this little brush right here. I like to use this one because it's more rounded at the top and it's a little bit easier to carve out and cut that crease precisely. So that is just what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to take the shade Daybreak from the Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn eyeshadow palette, and I am just going to be applying that right where we just cut the crease with this little flat shader brush. Alright, now I'm going to be taking the shade Sun, and I'm just going to be applying that over the top where we just put Daybreak, and it is a really pretty metallic yellow color with little flakes of gold shimmer in it. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using the same flat shader brush, and I'm also going to be dampening the brush with the Morphe X Jeffree Star Continuing Setting Mist. Alright, now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and put on some mascara, and the mascara that I'm using is just the Believe Beauty Extended Lash Lengthening Mascara. Now I'm going to be applying a false eyelash to my eye, and I'm using the Kassina lashes in the style 76. Part we get to work on the eye side. So this side is going to be super blue and white. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take that shade right there from the NYX Ultimate Brights eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be applying that to my crease with this little fluffy crease brush. I'm going to go into my BH Cosmetics Modern Mattes eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take the more deeper blue, and I'm going to be applying that to the outer half of my crease and into my lid. Alright, now I'm going to cut my crease using the same Maybelline Superstay Foundation and the exact same brush that we used earlier on this eye. Into the Vintage Dawn eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take the shade Dew, and I'm going to be applying that right where we just cut our crease because it's a beautiful metallic blue with a little bit of a white and silver shift to it. And I'm going to be applying that shade with this flat shader brush, and I'm also going to be dampening the brush again with the Morphe X Jeffree Star Continuing Setting Mist. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and apply some mascara, and I'm using the same mascara that I used on this eye, which is just the Believe It Beauty Extended Lash Lengthening Mascara. Alrighty, I'm using the same Kassina lashes that I used on this eye over here as well, and they're in the same style. They're just 76. Now it is time to do my lower lash line. Since I went off camera and did my complexion, I did my foundation, my concealer, and my powder. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking a little bit of cocoa and smudging it along this lower lash line. And then I'm going to take a little bit of that dark blue from the BH Cosmetics Modern Matte Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm going to smudge it along this lower lash line. And then I have two different eyeliners that I'm going to be using. So for the fire side, we're going to be going in with a gold eyeliner from Maybeline. This is just their Lasting Drama eyeliner in the shade gold. And then for my ice eye, I'm going to be going in with the LA Colors Audio eyeliner in the shade white. And then I'm going to be using a little bit of lower lash mascara as well. So I'm going to be going back in with the Believe Beauty Extended Lash Lengthening Mascara. Now it's time for bronzer, and for bronzer today, I'm just going to be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is just their original bronzer shade. They have a couple of shades to choose from in the range, and that is just what it looks like. It is so beautiful. I love this bronzer. It's a beautiful satin finish. And it just smells like coconuts, and it just smells so good. So to apply it, I'm just going to be using this big fluffy brush. Also, please excuse my nails. They look horrible. I really need to do them. This is where things is about to get really crazy. So I'm going to be using two different blush colors, two different highlight colors, and two different lip colors on each sides of my faces that is different. So for the fire side, I'm going to be going in with a warm toned blush. This is the Lychee Plus Gold Rose Gold Blush, and this is from the Sapphire collection. This is just what it looks like. It's a really pretty blush, and it has a little bit of specks of kind of like gold and rose gold shimmer mixed into the blush. It is absolutely beautiful, and I love this blush, especially for the winter time, because it's just so pretty and just like a beautiful dark tone blush that I can pull off really nicely. And then for the cool toned blush, I picked out the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula, and this is a really pretty blush, and this has a little bit of a sheen to it as well, which I really like. This is in the shade Natural Glow, and that is just a really pretty color. So I'm going to be doing that. I know some of you probably watching this video at home are thinking, this girl is absolutely crazy, but I promise you, the vision that I had in my head, if it turns out the way that I think it's going to, is going to be really pretty. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using this angled blush brush. Time for highlighter. So for the fire side, I'm going in with the Estate highlighter in the shade Do Me. It is a really pretty goldish toned highlight, so I think it'll be perfect for the fire side, seeing how this side is very warm toned. And then for the cool toned ice side, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade How Many Carats. This is a gorgeous highlighter that I bought for myself this past year for my birthday. I haven't really used it a lot because honestly, I just didn't want to mess up the packaging. It is so beautiful, and it's a gorgeous white toned highlight, which I absolutely love. And to apply it, I'm going to be using this highlight brush from Cheek. I would be lying if I didn't say that I'm really scared and nervous for this next part, because I've never done one half of my lips a different color before. But we're going to give this a try, and we're going to give this a go. So for the fire side, I really wanted to do a red lip, so that's just what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Catsuit Liquid Lipstick in the shade Misty and Fierce. And then for the eye side, I really wanted to do a cool toned pinky nude. So I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Crush. The reason why I'm using liquid lipsticks is because these dry down, so I'm not going to have to worry about them bleeding onto each other and like messing up the lip color. Alrighty, y'all, so that is it for this fire and ice makeup tutorial, and I have to say, I was really nervous about doing 2 different lip colors on either side of my lips, but I don't think I did half bad for my first try. The middle right here could use a little work, but honestly, this was my first time ever doing this, and I don't think I did half bad. I'm pretty proud of myself, okay? Okay, just let me have my moment. Don't be really harsh and judgmental down in the comments below about this look, because I had a lot of fun doing this. I had a lot of fun creating this. I think it turned out really pretty, and so yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there as well, because I'm here for you with new videos every Thursdays, Saturdays, and Mondays at 9:45 a.m. Eastern Time. Also, don't forget to give me a follow over on social media as well, so that way you can keep up with me, keep tabs on me, and keep up on when I post. And so, yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in Saturday's video. Bye, my little unicorn.